If your savings account looks empty, you're not lazy, you're just human. Our brains are wired for spending, not saving. But don't worry, you can outsmart yourself. Here's the deal, our brains crave instant rewards. That's why buying something now feels way better than saving for something later. Plus, clever marketing makes spending nearly effortless. But you can hack your habits. First, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer right after payday. Out of sight, out of mind. Next, give your savings a purpose. Name your account vacation fund or new car. Suddenly saving feels like a goal, not a chore. Finally, reward yourself for milestones. Small wins keep you motivated. Remember, you're not bad at saving. Your brain just needs a little help. Start small, stay consistent, and watch those savings grow. You've got this.